Hey guys, SlicedBread, JT here. We're going to do an unboxing of the Mastercraft Air Tool accessory kit. It's got a little bit of everything there. Make sure you can see all that. Got a little blowgun here and all the different tips for it. It's got the adapters for the compressor that I have over there. Yeah, all the little bits and pieces, so I thought I'd open her up. It's a Mastercraft, as you know, one of our many favorites. Yeah, cruising by, getting a bunch of other stuff. Actually, I'll show you real quick. Gonna be doing some of these step drill bits in a little bit here too. We were actually there for this and HDMI cables and everything at Canadian Tire. And I was walking by and saw, hey, $19.99 for that. We'll throw those away. Yeah, so we're going to unbox it. You know, not much to talk about. Let's get ourselves a blade here. Got one over here. Handy dandy little sucker. And we definitely don't want to cut any kind of hosing or any of that. I'm sure that everybody has a better way to open these boxes than this, but I don't really care. Throw that away for now. And let's do this. Let's do this a little clean. You know, we're not savages. You know, we're not Adam Savages here. See what I did there? Okay, so I can tell already I'm going to have to get some sort of bin and bucket thing to hold all this. Maybe the old Olympic Greek yogurt, you know us. We use whatever we got around. Containers and bits and bobs and everything. Probably a better, safer way to do this, but yay! So, I don't know what I'm to say here. Female coupling, da-da-da-da-da, mattress nozzle, da-da-da-da-da, recoil hose, and dual foot chuck. Doesn't say how long it is. I guess recoil hose, hard to measure, hey? Nice, really tight though. It's like that plasticky, not the rubbery bits. I got a rubbery one over here that we'll unbox later. Premium air hose. I got this from my dad. Thanks, Danny. 300 psi, 15 meters. So really long. Anyway, we'll do that one later. Right now we're back to this action. And I guess we could bust out the old compressorino. You guys like my table here? I made it out of these old leaf bag holders. Works in a pinch, you know. So we got the old air chuck. That's actually all I really needed for pumping up my tire. But it definitely came in handy to have some other stuff. So alright, let's just open this whole fucking thing up. It's getting crazy now. Try not to lose everything. Jesus Christ. Screw it. Okay. Oh, that messed with my OCD quite a bit there, because now I don't know what the fuck anything is, but that's okay. We'll figure it out as we go, right? Alright. Cool. We got all kinds of different adapter pieces. This is a female coupling. This is a male coupling. This is a male to female coupling. Get that out of the way. Actually, I might need that for... No, we won't need that. Throw this way over there. We'll throw you guys over there. Now I see why Adam Savage does that. Just throws everything around. Boy, that drove me nuts before, but now I get it. This is some sort of weird blowgun nozzle thing. Actually, we do need that, don't we? I need this piece of paper. Clang goes the armor. Okay, so we got all kinds of doodads for all these to fit onto. Something like that there. Nice. A couple of those. I think those are both basically the same thing. NPT couplers. The thread tape, which we didn't really need. We got a tire gauge, but we didn't really need that. But we could always use a brand spanking new one. We'll throw that in either Herb or Dora, one of the other units. Okay, so we got female adapters for your compressor and male adapters for your compressor. And 3 different male adapters for your compressor. You got mattress nozzles and pumping up your balls. And this fun one, which this can go on the end or whatever. This bad boy. Okay. So then, what do we want to do here? Let's do this into that, right? I know I should be using thread tape, but it's just going to do a little test for now. Okay, and I probably should be using a wrench, but that's okay. Alright, let's plug in our little compressor here. We got our bad boy right there, the old Delta. And again, my dad's old compressor. I think it came in handy for him lots of times. See if it'll reach cordage, and it won't. So, what are we going to do? Let's grab a cord. Okay, sweet. So we're back up and we got cordage running over yonder. And yeah, we got our dirty ass air compressor here. And what do we got going on here? Alright, sweetness. Turn that on. Not doing so well. Our little makeshift table here. But let's see what happens. Almost 30 psi now, so that's pretty good actually already. Woo! Sawdust. Alright, cool. Well, that works. Now we know our compressor's still working and everything. I should probably get it off this shitty little makeshift table. I'll probably hook up the premium air hose to that down the road, and I will definitely be swapping out this adapter or some WD-40, something in there. So it's not catching. It almost seems like a weird mechanical catch, but they got those weird little ball catch bearing type things in there. So yeah, anyway, Mastercraft air tool accessory kit. Look forward down the road, I guess. We will do some more testing. We'll test this out, the old air chuck, and test it on the tires outside. And other than that, I'm going to have to find a bin to put all this in. And we should be good to go, ladies and gentlemen. I labeled it here, air accessories. It sort of looks weird because it's over top of the other writing, but I don't really care because I know which one it is. So, yeah, as you can see there, I got all my goodies and bits and thread tape and all. I know it's not very official, but sort of that's how we do things here for now until we can get a proper setup. So, yeah, alright. So we're going to put some stuff on, and we're going to pump up some stuff. What can we pump up? Tires. Balls. 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 More balls. Oh yeah. All the balls. Haha, yeah! Alright. And balloons. That definitely exploded. That scared me. Sawdusty. One thing I always kind of want to know is if you put one balloon inside the other balloon, will it be twice as strong? If you put another one in there, will it be 3 times as strong, 4 times as strong? Is that a thing? Does it have a maximum that it reaches no matter what? Which will pop first? The inner? The outer? I don't know. So I thought, while I got the compressor here, you know, we got the little doodad here for it, so I thought we'll put her on there and we'll try it out. So we'll see how it goes. I don't know. There you go. Mastercraft 20-piece air accessory kit. There's chunks of balloon everywhere. Yeah, I was a little surprised. I wasn't sure what would happen with the double balloon system thing. The first one exploded on the outside, and then the inner one exploded, the one with all the sawdust. Yeah, I got a bit of a mess here to clean up. The sawdust didn't explode in there as much as I thought it would, but yeah, that was fun. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Make sure click that bell for getting notifications. For getting notifications. And yeah, just keep watching. I'm just gonna keep producing lots more content and put it out there. Anything I find that's kind of fun or interesting, then I'm just gonna put it out there. So enjoy it, you guys. Thanks for watching. SlicedBread, JT, out. Come on. Yay! Nope. Oh, nope. Nope. There we go. There we go. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold her steady. Hold her steady. Hold her steady. Oh,